Hi, so today we're going to be doing a box opening on this Kobalt trimmer. I picked this up the other day. We got some hedges out front and we're going to go ahead and try to get them all trimmed up. So this was the best deal I could find. It's normally 150 bucks and I found it on sale for I think 80. So hopefully it holds up. I've had a few Kobalt battery operated machines in my day and I've never had any issues with them, so I'm sure it'll be just fine. This is Lowe's brand, by the way, in case you were wondering. So we got the battery charger, the battery, and these are batteries, it's got a little display on it, and these batteries, it's pretty dead, so we're gonna have to charge it. No assembly, which is fantastic. Nobody likes to sit here and put things together. And it comes with a guard for your blades. Seems pretty comfortable. You can turn this sideways. That's kind of nice. You just have to hold the trigger down like this and then turn. It turns 180. There's a button up here as well. Probably have to have both of these to get it to go. This one, this one. All right, well, we're gonna charge this battery up, and then and whenever it's charged up, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna use it. I'll show you guys that as well. It's 8:49, 8:50, and we're going to go ahead and see how long this takes to charge up completely full. Okay, it's been a little bit over an hour and it's fully charged. so good. I'm not an expert at this by any means, but this thing's pretty sharp and does a good job. Very easy to use. Look at those other bushes down here, so let's see how that looks. And then I'll clean this up tomorrow or the next day. I'm not really too concerned with it. Nobody walks on this plaid walk. This is more for me, but yeah, let's just get this done. Alright, well, it didn't turn out perfect. I didn't know, you know, I've never done this before, and when they're that grown out, this is what it looks like on the inside. You get stuff like this, so you can't really fix that yourself. Not without letting it grow back. So, trimmed them up the best I could. We don't know if we're going to keep these here. Probably not, because they're just, I mean, they're just bushes, you know, and they're alternating. So this to this one with the super sharp, like these things are super sharp, so you can't even touch them. Like, they got points on them right here, and they're pretty rigid. They're not like a traditional leaf. So every other one of them are pretty sharp. You can't even walk by them without them cutting you. So not bad for the first time. Like I said, I'm not an expert or anything like that, but I think I did a pretty good job. I think it looks a lot better than what it did. And then over time here, all the stuff will rot down and whatnot. Anyways, hope you got some if you're thinking about buying this, you know, I hope you do. It's try to get it on sale. I got mine for 80 bucks. It was originally like 150. So try to do that, but I say it's pretty good. I think it's definitely a good tool to have around. I don't like that it's Kobalt because I have all DeWalt batteries, but you know, it's fine. Anyways, if you guys like watching these kind of videos, just go ahead and hit that like button for me. I really appreciate that. And then thanks for watching.